Meaning of dishrag.
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 Dishrag. Dishrag is a noun that refers to a small piece of cloth or fabric that is used for cleaning dishes, wiping surfaces, or absorbing liquids in the kitchen. It is typically made of cotton or other absorbent materials and can be washed and reused multiple times. The primary purpose of a dishrag is to facilitate the cleaning and sanitation of dishes and kitchen surfaces, thereby preventing the spread of germs and bacteria. By using a dishrag, kitchen surfaces can be kept clean and free from food residue, which can help prevent contamination and maintain hygiene standards.